How to log out of Twitter account on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out of a Twitter account on mobile. Now, to do so, first open up the Twitter app and you'll get an interface like this. Now here, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then head into settings and support that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on it and head into settings and privacy. Now once on settings and privacy, what you want to do is head into your account option, and under your account option you'll get various options like account information, change your password, download and archive of your data, or deactivate account. What you want to do is simply head over to account information, and here under account information you can see you'll get an option to log out. Simply tap on logout and tap on logout again and you'll be logged out of your account. So this way you can log out of a Twitter account on mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.